Hello everyone, back tuning in to Stormwatch. Well, it's rumbling outside the window here at Gasworth Viz Tower, so you might just hear a rumble of thunder while I'm recording the video. It's a bit in the distance, but it might be loud enough for the microphone to pick it up. We have got storms breaking out across southern parts of the country, through the South Midlands, along the M4 corridor. They'll be trundling north, I think, through the course of this evening, producing some quite torrential downpours in one or two places. They'll die back overnight, and then tomorrow they'll probably blow again, this time more out towards the west. I'm going to show you the detail in a second for what's going on. But before I get on with Stormwatch, just very quick to say about the ads. There's links to articles on the pages. Have a browse through the widgets, click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in. Thanks so much for doing that. I think I better get on with it. So this is the stochastic pressure chart today. Low pressure is off the coast of Portugal, with high pressure over Scandinavia. We're bringing up this very warm, humid, muggy and unstable southerly, southeasterly flow, dragging the air up out of France and the Mediterranean. Here is the radar picture from the weather outlook. So we've got this heavy and persistent rain across Ireland, but what we're really interested in is these very vibrant colours through the M4, particularly around the Bristol area, going up towards Oxford, so around the Cotswolds, and then pushing northwards in towards the south part of the Midlands. As I say, some very vibrant colours in there, indicating some torrential downpours of rain, not just rain. You have a look at the lightning detector device. There we are, they're flashing away. All of these coloured crosses indicating where there's lightning, and it really is where we've got those vibrant colours. So it's through the Midlands, into parts of Oxfordshire, down in towards Bristol, particularly around the Cotswolds. Really heavy storms blowing up there, and they will be pushing northwards through the course of this evening. So this is the forecast from a GFS model. This is for 6 o'clock. There's a persistent rain across Ireland, but this area just here is where we got those thunderstorms through the Midlands, into Wales, into southern parts of northern England as well. And as we go up towards midnight, they sort of fade away. They carry on up towards parts of North Wales and northern England, but they sort of ease down in intensity then. And by the time you get through 6 o'clock in the morning, it's all gone quiet, so most places are turning dry at that point. However, we bring even a hotter air up from the south tomorrow. Tomorrow is probably the peak of the temperatures. Here's the upper air temperatures for tomorrow, showing 10 Celsius and 850 HPA across many parts of England and Wales particularly. It'll start off dry tomorrow, but more showers will break out through the afternoon, a few through the Midlands, but this time it's generally favoured for the storms to be through Wales, northwest England, particularly southwestern parts of Scotland, around the Irish Sea, so perhaps a bit further north and west compared to where they are today. There is convective potential. Look at the green colours are there, indicating the risk of some lightning and thunder in with those downpours. Very warm and humid afternoon tomorrow. Temperatures up to 23 on these charts, but you could increase that, say, to 26 possibly. That's getting on the 80 Fahrenheit. Into Monday, we bring up this southeasterly flow, and that's going to bring more rain, or perhaps even storms, into the south. So this is the precipitation forecast for Monday, showing at midday there is rain coming into the southwest. That could be thundery, and then it's more for the south and the southeast, I think, on Monday. So through South Wales, parts of central southern England, into southeastern England. That's when you could come into the storm risk on Monday. Again, the green colours are there. There is convective potential. Temperatures are just easing down a little bit, but still warm enough, I would think, for thunder. And then on Tuesday, the flow is in from the east. Again, showers or thunderstorms possible across England and Wales through the day. This might be more sort of persistent rain on Tuesday, I'm not sure, but certainly there is precipitation there for England and Wales. It looks quite heavy, so the convective potential is not great, but I wouldn't totally rule out the chance of lightning and thunder even on Tuesday, despite the fact winds are from the east and the temperatures are easing down on Tuesday. So going to be a lot to keep an eye on over the next few days, and then beyond that it's going to get cold with northerly winds at the end of next week. Crazy weather. So a lot to keep an eye on over the next few days, but coming back to the time frame right now, the risk of storms is at the moment in the South Midlands and down towards Bristol. They'll trundle northwards through the Midlands this evening, and then they'll die down around midnight as you get up towards North Wales and Northern England. If you catch a storm, it could be very violent, so be careful. If you want to take pictures and that, do be careful of the lightning, but you can tweet them or email them to me at gazweathers@gmail.com. There could also be some flash flooding as well with those downpours, so if you're out off on the roads, take it easy this evening. Right, that's all for now. Enjoy the storms if you get them. I know a lot of you do like the storms, so enjoy them if you get them. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.